children, very good morning. Welcome to EVS class. How are you all? All of it are fine? Okay. So children, in the yesterday's class, what we studied and what we wrote in a EVS notebook, we studied about animal sounds. Sounds of animals. Is it? Yes. So already you are practicing it. Animal sounds. Yes. And reading with a spelling. Okay. Everyone has to read it with a spelling. Okay. Yes. Okay. So children, in the today's class, we'll write and we'll learn the concept is plants. About plants, we'll learn it. So already I taught you in the previous classes. I sent the video also. Is it? Yes. So children, in the today's class, we'll write the plants, how to plant a tree. So how to plant the tree step by step, we'll write it. Okay? Yes. So first what we had to do? We had to take the pot. Yes? Yes. Okay. Second, what we had to do? We had to put the layer ground, the bottom. Is it? Gravel at the bottom, we had to put the layer. Okay. So in the third step, what we had to do? We had to fill the pot with the soil and sow the seeds. With the seeds we had to put in the pot. Then fourth step, what we had to do? We had to cover with the seed with a layer of soil. Is it? Yes. So in the fifth step, what we had to do? We had to put the water. No? So we put the seeds. No? So what we had to do? The seeds will, how it will grow? We put the water means seeds will grow. Is it? Yes. So we had to put the water every day. Okay. So next step, what we had to do? Sixth step, the pot. So seeds potter, we put the water, no? So that pot we had to put in sun. We had to keep in sun, rise that pot. Okay. Then what will happen? So then the plant will grow. Is it? Yes. So some days we have to wait it, then we see the plant growing. So next last what will happen? So our plant will be complete, it will grow. So these steps are we take care of our plants. Is it? Yes. So now we'll write it. Okay. So when you're writing, you have to read it and you have to write it, children. Okay. So everyone take out your EVS 4-line notebook, take out your pencil and eraser. Take new page and write CW up. And side you write here star mark. Plant. PLANTS. Plants. And here write HOW. How? TO. Plant. PLANTS. Plants. Hurry. A tree. TREE. Tree and question mark. So how to plant a tree? So we'll write it here. Points. So write 1. Okay? Okay, now write first get. G-E-T. Get. A pot. P-O-T. Pot. And a full stop. Get a pot. Next write P-O-T. Pot. A-L-A-Y-E-R. Layer. O-F. Of gravel. G-R-A-V-E-L. Gravel. A-T. At. T-H-E. The. B-O-T-T-O-M. Bottom. Okay. Put a layer of gravel at the bottom. So third write F-I-L-L. Fill. T-H-E. The pot. P-O-T. Pot. W-I-T-H. With S-O-I-L. Soil. And A-N-D. And saw. S-O-W. The. T-H-E. Seeds. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. Full point. Okay. Fourth, fill the pot with the soil and sow the seeds. Fourth, cover. C-O-V-E-R. The. T-H-E. Seeds. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. With W-I-T-H-E. A-T-H-I-N. Thin. Layer. L-A-Y-E-R. Layer. O-F. Of. Soil. S-O-I-L. Soil. Okay. Fifth one. Water. W-A-T-E-R. The. T-H-E. The. Seedling. S-E-E-D-L-I-N-G. Regularly. R-E-G-U-L-A-R-L-Y. Regularly. Okay. Next point here, right? Next. Sixth point. Put. P-U-T. Put. Your. Y-O-U-R. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. In. I-N. In. The. T-H-E. The. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Okay. Next, seventh point. Wait. W-A-I-T. Wait for. F-O-R. For. the THE, the plant. PLANT, plant. TO, to grow. GROW, grow. Okay, next point. This, THIS, this is, is your, YOUR, plant. PLANT, plant. Take, TAKE, take. Care, CARE, care. Of, of. It, it. Okay, so like this neatly you have to write it. So now once again we'll read it. Plants. How to plant a tree. Get a pot, put a layer of gravel at the bottom, fill the pot with the soil and sow the seeds. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil. Water the seedling regularly. Put your pot in the sun. Wait for the plant to grow. This is your plant. Take care of it. Okay, so like this you have to read it and you have to write it, children. Okay, yes. So homework is what you wrote in the classwork. You have to read it and you have to write it, children. Okay, so classwork, plant, how to plant a tree. These 8 points you have to write it a homework. Okay, so everyone do the homework and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.